Welcome to all in this video lecture. In the last lecture, we have seen demodulation of QAM signal. QAM is our quadrature amplitude modulation signal. So here is the block diagram for the demodulation of QAM signal. Here we have calculated the value of y1t and y2t. So we have already covered this uh, calculation in my previous lecture. So just here is a recap for this calculation. Y1 dash t is equal to st into cos omega ct. Here y1 dash t is the output of product modulator. So y1 dash t is equal to st. St is our QAM signal, and cos omega ct. Cos omega ct is our carrier signal. So we have already evaluated the value of this st. So the value of this st is x1 t into a cos omega ct plus x2 t into a sin omega ct, and put this cos omega ct here into cos omega ct. So further simplification, we get x1t into a cos square omega ct plus x2t into a sin omega ct into cos omega ct. Further simplification, we get x1t into a, and this cos square omega ct can be written as 1 plus cos 2 omega ct by 2, and this sin omega ct into cos omega ct can be simplify as we can multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So here the uh, here we can write it as x2t by 2, and here 2 sin omega ct into cos omega ct can be written as sin 2 omega ct. Now y1 dash t is equal to x1 t by 2 into a plus x1 t by 2 into cos 2 omega ct plus x2 t by 2 into a sin omega 2 ct. So here this higher frequency terms, that is second term and third term, can be uh, bypassed through uh, passing the signal through low pass filter. So after passing the signal y1 dash t through low pass filter, we get y1 t is equal to x1 t into a by 2, and similarly we can evaluate the value of y2 t as x2 t into a by 2. So here already we have written the value of y1t and y2. By adopting the similar procedure, we can calculate the value of y2t as we have directly written here, y2t equal to x2t into a by 2. Now we have now we see the constellation diagram for 4q am. So constellation diagram for constellation diagram for 4q am. So we can draw the constellation diagram for 4QAM system. 4QAM system. So this is the for bit 00, this is for 01, this is for 10, and this is for 11. So here we can observe that the distance of these signals 00, 01, 10 and 11 from this origin are same, but they are in different phase. There are four phases for 00, 01, 10 and four different phases are there for different signals, but the amplitude of these signals are same. So we can say that the 4QAM is equivalent to 4 QPSK, 4 QPSK system. Now, so this is the constellation diagram for 4QAM system, and it is similar to our 4QPSK system. Now we draw the constellation diagram for 8QAM system. So constellation diagram for 8QAM system. Constellation diagram for 8QAM system. So here there are 3 bits to represent a signal. So here we have 0, 0, 0. Here we have 0, 0, 1. Here we have 0, 1, 0. Here we have 0, 1, 1. Here we have 1, 0, 0. Here we have 1, 0, 1. Here we have 1, 1, 0, and here we have 1, 1, 1. So for 3 bit there will be 8 different signals. So one thing we can observe here, that the distance of 001, distance of 001 and the distance of 010 from the origin is same, but they are in different phase. Similarly, the amplitude of 001 and 101 and 011 and 111 are same, but they are in different phase. So here both the things can be observed, phase shift keying and amplitude shift keying. these points are so we can observe one thing here, that these points have same phase but the amplitudes are different. So both the things can be visualized here, ASK as well as PSK. That's why it is called QAM system. Now we can understand it using waveform. So this is the time domain display of 8QM system. This is figure for time domain display of Q of 8QAM. Here we have bits from 000 to 111. So here for 000 the phase shift, here we are using four different phase shift, that is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. So for these two signals, the phase phase are same but the amplitude are different. So here we can see the phase, that is it is 0 degree and it is also 0 degree, but here the amplitudes are different. Here in both the signals we have phase of 90 degree. So here the phase are 90 degree, so this one is lower amplitude of 90 degree phase, this one is a higher amplitude for 90 degree phase. Similarly for 180 degree, here the amplitude is lower and here the amplitude is higher, although the phase are same. Similarly for next two bit configuration, the phases are same but the amplitudes are different. So here both the modulation techniques are applied, ASK as well as PSK. So it is called QAM modulation. Thank you for watching this lecture.